Hello everyone, I'm Renee and you're watching Island House Handmade. Today I wanted to wish everybody a happy and healthy new year. I started this channel, Island House Handmade, as a creative outlet after I lost my job during COVID. It's been a thought for a while and I finally made it happen last February. I posted 46 videos so far and I have 171 subscribers. And my most popular video to date is how to make an apron, and I made pot holders, a bowl cap. So that's been my most favorited video. I have over 1,000 views on that. And this year I have big plans. I bought a bunch of patterns at Hobby Lobby. They've been on sale for 99 cents. I'll show you those, but I really wanted to thank everybody who has joined the show and followed along and enjoyed the videos. The premise of the show, Island House Handmade, is because I live on Long Island and everything I do is handmade. So I'm in my house all day, so I'm in my island house hand making everything. So I thought that was kind of cute, and nobody had the name. It's really hard to pick names with all these TV shows out there. So that's the premise. It's a creative outlet for me, and it's to showcase my skill to help other people learn to sew. I made ladies' clothing for the last 25 years in Manhattan's Garment Center. I worked for companies like The Gap, Ralph Lauren, Ann Taylor, Talbot's, and a big company that made clothing for QVC. My special skill in the design world is as a technical designer, and technical designers are in charge of the fit and function of the samples. Each sample that design hands us, we need to make come to life. It needs to be fit on a real model. It needs to be communicated back and forth with the pattern corrections to the factory that's making each sample. And it's fast-paced, and there's samples coming in all day and in and out, and fittings and comments, and you need to follow up and work with design, and it's a very fast-paced career. But that essentially means that I am a professional sewist, a professional pattern maker, and this is what I've been doing my whole life. So I hope that it comes off in the videos that I'm trying to teach you and show you how to sew at home for yourself. Now, some of the other things I love doing is cooking and making beauty products. This year, after 5 years of making my own labels on my home printer, I splurged and had professional labels made at a print shop. So I just wanted to show you those because it really gave me a little bit more encouragement when making my products from home and gifting them. So I love this blue and white stripe design that I went with. I selected it because it reminded me of ticking stripe, and it's very coastal to have ticking stripe. I have it on my couch upstairs in my room, and I love it. I have a nice label on top that says Handmade by Renee, and these are stickers, so if I make something else like cookies or something, I can just put these stickers on what I need. I also found these cute boxes with the blue and white theme on Amazon. And these are great little hostess gifts. So when I make soap, I make about 30 to 40 bars this size at a time. I use half of them for myself during the year, and I keep a bunch on hand as gifts. So tomorrow night we're going out for New Year's Eve just for an early dinner, 4 o'clock. But there'll be a few girls there, so I wanted to give them a little teeny New Year's gift. So it's a bar of soap and my lip balm. And I wrapped it up in these cute little boxes, and it's just a sweet little gift. And that's what I love doing. I love making things at home and then making gifts for people. So that's the whole idea behind the show, and I hope that you enjoy the shows that I'm making and continue to watch in the new year. Now, in the Bath & Body products that I make, I'm making them to be organic. only olive oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oils, all natural, nothing synthetic, and natural essential oils like lemongrass, vanilla. I have lavender, spearmint. This was really great in one of my lip balms last year, and it tastes like double mint spearmint gum. So that was really good. And then in the spring, I'll be putting together a 3-piece set, sugar scrub, lip balm, and soap with this rosemary scent. This smells beautiful, and I think it'll be nice for the spring. In the meantime, I'll whip up a batch of sugar scrub for me and my husband, and I'm using eucalyptus. That way, in the steam shower, it'll open up all your airway in the morning. This will be a beautiful essential oil for my shower in the morning. All the things I like to do here is handmade. In the coming shows for sewing, I will be making one of my early February shows will be a 2-piece pajama set in cotton. I found a few cute cottons that I have to decide on at Hobby Lobby, but this will be one. And this is a pullover French terry knit top that I would like to make. And then this fleece, and I think I'll make it in the 2-tone, and this will be perfect for the winter, cozy fleece stylish shirt. So these are going to be my top projects in the new year, and then I'll just show you everything else I bought, and hopefully I'll get to these. So I have a bomber jacket. I was thinking of doing in lace. This is a beautiful, just like a wrap cape jacket with a belt. Nice dress. Spring summer peplum top. Love this. This is a peplum jacket. I'm not sure if I'll get to this, but I love the pattern. Knit A-line dress. This could be short sleeve. This could be for anything. This is super easy. This is a classic jeans jacket, so this is in the pipeline. Some capri pants that I really want to make. Nice dress. Handbags in the spring. Beach tote for the summer. Some more knit tops, a little cardigan. I love this V-neck knit top, ruched at the sides. This is going to be great. Wrap dress, very classic. Basic tee, little wrap tee, and this is a really cute blouse. So these are all my to-dos for Island House Handmade in 2026. And that's a wrap, guys. So I hope you like the show, and happy, healthy new year to everybody. Thanks for joining. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next year.